Workforce Now for Construction delivers the critical construction-specific functionality in a single product from a trusted provider. The construction industry is quite fragmented when it comes to tracking time in the field, executing payroll, and having full-featured HR. By having the only all-in-one HCM system with Workforce Now for Construction, it really meets the needs of today's construction company. For the workers at the job site, they'll have access to a mobile application that easily captures their time, but also allows them to review their pay and make HR changes. For the payroll team, they're going to have their experience improved by having a proven system that automates the pay and benefit rules for prevailing wages, for unions, but also creates certified union reporting all within the product. And then the HR team is going to get best-in-class tools around everything from recruitment through retirement, having benchmarking analytical tools so that they can be an employer of choice in a tight labor market. Companies are really going to get the benefits you come to expect from Workforce Now with the addition of the critical construction capabilities to run their back office. It's really evolved the generalist system into an industry specialized offering in a way that the market's been asking for years.